How does Chime credit card work? Now, if you do not have a Chime credit card, or if you're trying to apply for one, or if you already have a Chime credit card but you're wondering as to how it really works, there are a couple of answers for you, right? So first of all, the Chime Credit Card Builder is a secured credit card that helps to build credit by moving money from your checking account. So you can move money from your Chime checking account to your Credit Builder secured account. This money acts as a security deposit and sets your spending limit. Second, making on-time payments. Chime reports on-time payments to the three major credit bureaus. Third, using the card responsibly. You can use the card anywhere where Visa is accepted. And turning on the safer credit building feature. This feature automatically pays your monthly balance with the money in your secured account. Now, to get basically a Chime Credit Builder card, you can first open a checking account and receive an eligible direct deposit of at least $200 in the past year. Opt into Credit Builder and complete the online form. Fund your card by moving money from your checking account to your Credit Builder card account. You can also apply for a credit card by simply going to your browser and typing in Chime Credit Card, and you'll find a couple of options. You can see best credit card to build or rebuild credit, and you should be able to see your eligibility and apply for them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.